Hello and welcome to Southport Honda, part of Cox Motor Group. My name's Phil. I'm just going to show you a quick video of our lovely Honda Civic SE. Really nice car. It's an 18 plate, it's a 1.6 diesel, manual. It's the SE. You've got your sensors all the way around, as you can see here. You actually have a radar in here for the adaptive cruise control. Daylight running lights, as you can see there, really nice, sort of sweep up like that. These are the alloy wheels that it has. You can only get these on the SE model. Really nice. Just finished the car off really nicely. So because it's a Honda approved car, it comes with a minimum of 12 months AA roadside assistance and a minimum 12 months warranty. Really nice. Lovely straight car. Have a quick look at the interior as well. Okay, with it being the SE, you get the electric windows, electric mirrors. Down here you've got your parking sensors under here, you can turn them on and off. There's your lane keep assist just there. Multi-function steering wheel, so there's your cruise control with your adaptive cruise, so you can set how close to the car you want to be in front. Lane keep, so it will actually make adjustments for you. All your volume, all your audio, your Bluetooth. As it's the SE, you get the Bluetooth as well. DAB radio, climate control. Got a lovely little shelf underneath there, so you can charge your phone up under there and keep it out of sight. Yeah, lovely little car. If you've got any questions for us, give us a ring on 01704 500 501. Or one of our sales team can do your personalised video and can answer any questions you've got. Thank you.